Hey, it's virtual tour. Westbourne in Lyndhurst, Ohio. Awesome area. It's snowing today, but it's ready to rent, so we're going to do a video. This one's got a big backyard, double car garage. It's got a separate parking area back here where you can see that brown car. That's where, right there, and there's the garage, and you have an entrance here for the backyard. Nice little backyard. It's got an enclosed patio there. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Has a nice entryway here, so when your shoes are wet, it's really a good place. So whatever you want to use this for, you can. And then if you go here, down here is the basement. Nice big house. I mean, it's a really nice big house. You can kind of do with, glass block windows. Here's the other bathroom. It has a shower right there. And then you have some storage over here. So this is nice. So, and then let's go upstairs. And it does have a gas cook range and a refrigerator. It's a little galley kitchen, but it's a nice kitchen. A microwave. And you have a dining area right here. Newer windows. Nice big living room. Been freshly redone. Nice wood floors. Big area. Then you also have a bathroom on the first floor, which is right here. Nice bathroom. And then the bedroom here off to the side. 2 bedrooms on the first floor. There's your closet. This bedroom has 2 closets here, and you can go out to the enclosed patio area from this particular bedroom. Let's go upstairs to the big bedroom. So there's a little, you can use this for a little office area if you want, but the big bedroom's right here. So this is the big bedroom. So we have that. Really nice vinyl. So this is your virtual tour. Nice house, Lyndhurst, Ohio.